Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a really quick unboxing on this RadonAway kit that I got from Menards. It is model number RN104. Here's all the info on the bottom. Here's this side of it with all the electrical information, pressure information. And do note that the warranty is only 5 years if you have a professional install it. If you install it yourself, you only get 12 months from the date of purchase. Here's the side. It says this kit contains nearly everything that's needed to install an interior or exterior system. And on the back of the box it has a pretty good breakdown of what is in the box. But let's go ahead and take a look anyway. So we have two couplings. This goes from 3" to 4". With two copies of the installation manual for some reason. They look to be exactly the same. So, quality control. Okay. Little flyer. Find a Radon Pro. Here's the cover. Got some foam on there for it's the cover for the electrical connection. Got our little monitor here, our liquid monitor. And inside this bag with the monitor, you got the monitor itself. Little piece of tube, a twist tie, 2 screws, warning stickers. Actually, I really like that this comes with these stickers because, yeah, that makes it look really professional. The warranty for the vacuum gauge. Owner's manual. This is probably what you would give to the homeowner. Oh, nice. And you can make a little layout diagram to keep by it. Have the gray power cord. And the fitting for it. And the fan itself. And yeah, this is a 4" input and output. And by 4" I mean like 4.5 inches actually, because it's the OD of the pipe. It's for 4" PVC, Schedule 40 nominal. And that is the box. I said it was just going to be an unboxing, but I want to hear how quiet this is. Well, darn. It does clamp down pretty good. Alright, I'm not an electrician, but this is how I think it should be wired. Put the wire through the ferrule thing. Put this through the bottom of the unit. and then this through the top. Alright. Gonna make my connections. I don't know why this would need a ground. You're only connecting, maybe if you replace it with something else. Anyway, let's also leave that wire nutted off. White to white. Black to black. Wire nut this for some reason. Okay, there. That's all pretty secure. Shove all the wire in here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's see how loud this bad boy is. Oh, that's a lot of suction. Ah! This is probably what it's going to sound like. So with no load, it's at 60.1 watts. And at full load, working as hard as it can, 36.3 watts. Interesting. Anyway, that was just supposed to be an unboxing video, but thanks for watching.